Hi, my name is Vicky Youngman. I'm going to be teaching quilling and collage at RiverArts Summer Camp. What is quilling? It's the ancient art of using paper, rolling it around a thin stick or paintbrush, and creating all sorts of designs. So let's make a heart shape like this. Go ahead and draw our line, cut it out. We want to find the midpoint again, but this time crease it really well. This is going to be the point of the heart. And then both of our swirls are going to go towards the center. So we'll take this again, go towards the center. But we don't have to go all the way down. We can go about halfway down. Take it out and that will unroll a little. So this is pretty tight, you can see. This is pretty tight. So we can open these up some. And then we can glue them together at the center. Okay, this one is going to need the tweezers to hold that there for a minute. Okay. So this is similar to this one. Here, we can open this out a little bit more. So this one you can see is a little asymmetrical, so you can always play around with these. They don't have to be one certain way or another. In fact, this one's going to look definitely different than that. It's okay. You can put that over here somewhere. So if you do sign up for the class, bring a picture or collage materials. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this short little lesson, and I would love to see you all in class. Thank you very much.